So this is sort 66, the short and long A sound. And we have some oddballs. We're going to talk today about how to sort them. So the first thing I want you to do is pause your video right here and sort your words. Now that you've sorted your words, we are going to look at how I sorted mine. So I'm going to unveil my sort. Here's my sort. Let me lift this up carefully so I don't mess it up. And now we're going to talk about today's the day that we're going to write it down correctly in our notebook. So I need you to take your notebook, and I'm going to lay my notebook on top of one part of the sort, but I'm going to leave my headers out. The reason I lay it like this is so that you can see it. You do not have to lay your notebook on top. So the first thing I'm going to write down is my date. Today happens to be 9-3-20. If your date is different, you need to write your date. And then on the top, I'm going to write my headers. So I'm going to have the short A sound, the long A consonant with the silent E. And remember, we're crossing the E out, so we know it's silent. And my last category is oddball. I'm writing in marker so you can see it better. However, I would prefer for you all to write in pencil. Now, I don't need to have a ruler. I can just do my best and go as straight as possible. It does not need to be perfect. And I'm going to do the same over here at the end. Again, the line does not need to be perfect. I want to draw a line underneath it so I know that the top part is my header. Now, I sorted my words right here into my categories. And today is the day I'm going to write them down correctly. So in my notebook, I'm going to put a little dot. That means this is where I'm going to write my word. I want you to write on one line this time. So my first word, and I'm going to go down in a column, is fast. Make sure you have all the correct letters. If you need to, you can pause. My next word is cat. Pause after each word that I wrote and you can write it. My next word is hand. My next word is grass. Then comes the word sack. Do you see how my G goes into the next line? So I'm going to skip a line and write sack. And I can, while I'm writing them, I say the word first so I can hear the short A sound. Ask. Yep, it makes a ah. Last. Yep, makes a ah. Now I'm going to move my notebook over so I can see my long A sort. So my first word is cake. Yep, it says A, and it has an E at the end I don't hear. Make. It says its name, and it has an E over here I don't hear. Trade. I can hear the A saying its name, and I don't hear the E at the end, so it belongs here. Page. I can hear the A, and I do not hear that E. I have a P and a G, so I'm going to skip a line so I don't write into each other. My next word is base. I can hear the A saying its name, and I don't hear the E, so it belongs in this column. Same. Yep, I hear the A sound, and I did not hear the E. Lake. I hear the A saying its name, and I do not hear the E at the end. Face. I hear the A sound, and I do not hear the E. What? What? Oh yeah, there's that long, weird A, and it does not have an E, and it's